Hello everyone. In this video I want to make a walkthrough how you would set up your Discord server and the Discord bot in order to create online competitions and table subscriptions. So let's dive right into it. What you see here is my development server, which is pretty basic. I haven't created much channels, only for offline and online competitions. And additionally, a subscription category for table subscriptions. We'll come back to that later. And as of now, I haven't a bot online here, so let's start with creating a new one for this video. So we head over to the Discord developer portal where you can create a new application. And for the bot name, you can actually enter your name and keyboard. And once created, all you have to do is go to the bot section and make sure that the server member intent and message content intent is set and save the changes. So the bot is now already configured, and we only have to create the authentication URL to add the bot to the server. For that we go to this OAuth2 URL generator and select the bot scope. And here's the part where you have to take care of it. If this is your bot, you can select administrator. I mean, if this bot is for your Discord server, you have to select the administrator rights, because only you should be able to do everything on the server, like creating new competitions and subscriptions, and others shouldn't do that. So for you and for your Discord server, you select administrator, and afterwards you can copy the URL and authorize or trigger the authorization process. As you can see, here is the name of my Discord development server. I continue and authorize the bot to be added to the server. So as you can see, a message pops in, and if we head back, the bot has been added but is not yet online. In order to change that, we have to get the access token, again from the developer portal, which is here, sorry. And here's this reset token button, which when you press it will generate a new token. You should keep it somewhere, as this token won't be shown again. So you copy the token, head over to the vpin-studio, go to the preferences, go to the bot settings, and input the token here. Once set, you see that this combo box is now enabled, and you can select the server as your default server because this is yours, and also some defaults like the default text channel and subscription category. And here's where the earlier mentioned subscription category comes in. And no, we don't want dynamic subscription for this demo, but the important takeaway here is you only can select the default server where you are an administrator. You won't see servers where your bot have only been added as a regular bot. So now the setup is finished, and we can, for example, go to competition and start a new let's see, this old one, and start a new Discord competition. So let's quickly do that. I go with Batman, select the server and the online competition channel. I select Batman 66. No. And what you see now here is that I haven't used a valid bot name. I forgot that because the Discord bot acts a proxy for you, which submits the high score. So first we have to go back. Go here to the, it's online now, go first, change nickname, and you say it's still my bot, but with with my initials. Let's switch to. All right. So now let's try this again. Online competitions. Reset and we're done. Again, notification comes in. If we head back to the server, you see the competition starter message has been created, and now the competition is online and other player bots can join the competition. Before we come back to that, let's also take a look on the table subscriptions, because I not only want to compete against other players on this table, I also want to have my a table subscription with kind of a Discord competition, but it doesn't have an end date. We can quickly create a new one for vpin-studio. And add the subscription. Again, you see the Discord messages popping in, and as you can see, the new subscription has been started with an empty initial high score. So the difference between the online competition and the subscription is that the subscriptions are running without an end date. So these subscriptions usually stay, and people can join if they want to, and can compete with that, but it won't end. For the online competition, they work actually the same way, but they will finish. So after a while, the server detects, okay, the end date has been reached, and the winner will be announced depending on the high scores that have been posted here. All right, so let's quickly also take a look how a high score submission would look like. For that, I cheat a bit. 1 second. So I select the high score for Batman, which has been resetted. Select my initials, and it's got 1000 points. Awesome. And scan these. So, wrong table, sorry, Batman. And so I simulated a game of vpin-studio where I have achieved 1000 points, and as you can see, the high score has been persisted. And if we head back to the Discord server, you see the new high score has been submitted to the online competition and also to the table subscription. So you are basically done here, and what I want to show you next is how this would work for players that want to create a bot for another Discord server. So you have a friend, they want to join, what do they have to do? First of all, they have to, of course, create a Discord bot, which we have already done here. But when we go back to the URL generator, you should only set the permissions that are required to participate in competitions or on table subscriptions. So you don't need and you don't want to have administrator for a bot. I mean, also the server owner don't want another bot with other bots with administrator rights. So you only select the correct permissions here. You can find them on the GitHub page. Let's see, Discord bot permissions. And here are the different permissions that described. Also that where to take care. So here you see the flags that should be set for other players' bots. So which are basically 6 ones. We want to read messages, send messages, manage, embed, attach, read. And this is once. So oops. And Again, we copy this link and we would now send this link to the administrator of the server. They would take the link and run through this authorization process, add the bot to the server, and yeah, then the bot would be added as player to the server. And the difference would be if this player would then go on Studio, he wouldn't be able to add a subscription or to add a competition for the server. Would only be able to join. So this is a big difference. This ensures that only authorized persons are starting new stuff on the Discord server. And that's it. I hope it was not too long and that will help you to set up your competitions and table subscriptions. The development will go on. There are already other plans made to build even bigger competitions with more tables. So you can follow this channel if you're interested in the updates, and if you have questions, you'll see the Discord link in the comments, and can also post some questions or new ideas there. So thanks for watching, and yeah, have fun playing pinball. Bye.